Alden, Richard update. Nasaya pa nga na mag-BFF na sila Alden at Barbie during Christmas party ng Pulang Araw.
Nagkipagsulitan dyan ang cast nito na kinabibilangan nila Alden Richards. Si Alden off to America with his family para i-celebrate ang kanyang birthday this January 2.
And sa US, mag-celebrate si Alden ng birthday niya kasama ang family porters. So, yun na. Sa post ng AR Foundation Inc., our first fun and fundraising event would have been possible without each, every one of you. And your generosity has truly made all that difference. Yun na. At ito pa yung pag-games sa Christmas party ng Pulang Araw. So, nag-enjoy dyan si Alden. Isa lang niya, nasa likod niya. Ang Ray-Ban. Meta. Galing sumalo ni Alden ng itlog eh. Yung mga kasama niya na-out. Ang basa yung itlog. Kasi Barbie din, hindi niya nasalo yung itlog. Basa. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Guy. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.